At IITM Group of Institutions, learning begins with opportunity, a campus designed to inspire growth, innovation, and ambition, where every step moves students closer to their goals. Interactive classrooms designed to build real-world skills, a library that inspires knowledge, research, and discovery, with modern computer labs and industry-focused practical learning that transforms concepts into innovation. Guided by experienced mentors at every step, encouraging creativity, communication, and leadership. Promoting teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. Because growth happens beyond the classroom too. A vibrant campus life with spaces to connect and unwind, where every passion gets a platform to shine. IITM Group of Institutions. Learn today, lead tomorrow.